Page 4, marching. Common time, same as 4/4 time for our purposes. 1 flat, so it's either F major or D minor. Now we can figure out which is which. F major, D minor. Well, look at the last measure, you're here. If we add the F, it's D minor. D minor is close enough, we'll go with that. Quarter notes, half notes, whole notes. Let's look at this first with the right hand. I'll take it one hand at a time. Up here on the thumb here, and this all quarter notes, and there's a half note. Oh goody. So you work out these notes, you're in this position throughout the whole thing. In the left hand, now you got these 2-note chords. 3 and 5 on the F8 puts you in this position to start. Just a quarter note, and the next one is the G, B flat. Don't forget the B flat. And then A, C. Now for the whole note, you gotta raise your thumb up. So it's here. You're not really moving the hand around, you're just moving the thumb up. And then the second line is similar except for the last measure. For the last measure, you gotta come down here. You got plenty of rest to do it, so somewhere in those rests, you just simply move down here. Have it here before you need it, if you can. And here you can, so I usually wait until the note or the beat right before I need it or so, and then I move it there. But it's a personal thing. You'll develop that habit of when you do this. Then you put the hands together and hope for the best. Because here, make sure these left hand notes are quarter notes. Except that one, and then you do the whole thing there. And when you get that, then we can go back and we can add the articulation. That is the staccatos and tenutos. So short staccatos here, and it's easier if you do the same technique in both hands. So I'm recommending you either, it's a wrist or hand staccato depending on where you're from. It could be called either one. You hinge at the wrist. For the tenuto, the little line, hang on to that, linger on that. Yeah, and that's wonderful. I think this book tends to treat tenutos a little more like, put a little extra stress on them. Not everybody does that. But this one, they tend to put a little extra. I don't know that you need extra stress on it, but that's what they're doing. That type of thing. Dynamics, add the dynamics. It's loud. That's the melody. That's the right hand in this piece. So keep the left hand a little softer than that. So when you play these notes at the beginning of these measures with both, we want to hear the right hand. Not all together. We want to hear the right hand. All the way through. Bring out the right hand if you can. Speed, it just says moderato, although they do give you some metronome markings up there. Now when you're learning it, you ignore those. You take it however slow you got to take it to get it accurate. And then gradually speed it up. But I suppose then your goal would be eventually play it up there around where they're saying moderato is. It seems a little fast to me for moderato, but okay if that's what they want. You'll have to decide on the speed that's right, that you feel is right, or that your teacher is telling you to take. And it'll be different for different people. That's basically what it is. Let's do a play with me here to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not doing the dynamics. I just want you to make sure you got the right notes and the right rhythms. Well, here the rhythms shouldn't be a problem, but at least the right notes. So I'll give us 4 counts, and let's play this together. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, off.